Hey guys, this is Joseph from DeLeaves. What we're going to be doing today is unboxing the brand new canopy sampling tool. You might be wondering, what is it designed for? Essentially, this is a robotic arm that has been designed to be attached and driven by a drone to sample tree canopy from up high or unreachable areas. So let's have a look. So let's do an overview of the box first. So we have here the canopy sampling tool with the carbon rods underneath, the toolkit, the battery charger, the drone attachments. We have a tripod, the drops, lithium batteries over here, and the remote control. So let's start with the canopy sampling tool. Looking down here, we have two sets of claws. First one here is the cutting mechanism. This is what's going to feed the branch to the circular saw underneath here. There's a smart servo system here that's there to actually ensure a smooth cut. Now, up above is the holding mechanism. This is what's going to be holding the branch once you have made the selection and the collection of the branch. In the middle here, there's a little pivoting tool which allows you to orient anywhere between 0 to 90 degrees the entire system over here. All of this is powered by the power unit up above. As you can see here, power unit and the communication system over there. This power unit will be powered up by this little button and the lithium batteries over here that can be inserted from up top. And there's a camera, full HD camera, that's going to give you a good perspective on the entire cutting operation. So now underneath the canopy sampling tool are the carbon rods, which will connect the sampler to the drone. Each rod can be linked with each other using a little push button over here, and they will range, depending on the number you use, will range between 3 to 5 meters or 9 to 16 feet. Looking at the drone attachments, these are what are going to be connecting the entire sampling unit to the drone. There are different models there for you depending on which drone model you plan to use. Note that in all cases, they won't require any changes made to the drone and can be left there permanently if needed. Looking at the drops now, these little devices have been designed to detach the sampling unit extremely rapidly in case of an emergency situation. They will be triggered remotely and are located right above the sampling unit over here. Let's have a look at the remote control now. The remote control has its own software application designed for the DeLeaves system. It's going to be this thing that's going to allow you to control and check the vitals of the sampling unit. The view that you get from here has been provided by the full HD camera onto the tool. It can be handheld, or using the tripod over here, can be left aside when you're piloting the drone. This is the battery charger. That's going to allow you to recharge these batteries. Since we provided you with 3, you're able to charge them while some others are in use. So it's really there to allow you for a continuous operation when you're on the field for a long day. Finally, looking at the toolkit. The toolkit here has been provided to you so you're able to perform all type of required adjustments when you're on the field for a long day. You'll notice there's a little brush in there that allows you to clean the rotating blade. Some spare blades as well if you're worried about cross-contamination between species. So to sum it up, you have everything you need in here when you're on the field to play with your DeLeaves sampling system. So this is the unboxing of the canopy sampling tool. I hope it gave you a proper overview of what's inside the box. For more information, please visit DeLeaves.com.